We'll forget the drinks in the cabin.
Hi, we're at, where?
Twin Falls.
Springbrook. Going to go for a walk down to the waterfall. Hopefully it's got some water in it. We'll see how we go.
Sounds like it has. Yeah. There's a nice little looking at.
No. What was that? You know why they call them lookouts?
Because that's what I'm looking out for. Right over there. Why do they call them lookouts?
Because you got to look out for spider webs.
I've got about half a dozen of them.
You're looking out. It's surface over there. Not that you can see very much of it. But
What a view, that's beautiful.
very pretty. Onwards and downwards. Well, we have to go down to see the waterfalls, don't we? Whoops, there's another little lizard thing just scramping around there. Oh, here comes the steps. Oh, what was that? Something just scampered into there.
More lizards?
I don't think it was a lizard that time.
What?
I don't know, it was brown.
It was round.
Brown. Oh, round. Another bit of a lookout. Look out, I found you. What is... So I'm making Paul go first to get rid of all the cobwebs so I don't get cobwebbed, and so he scares all the snakes. Hopefully that we don't see any.
What?
Hopefully that we don't see any, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, get off, ant.
Need a stick.
So we have this technique when we walk in the bush, that we find a stick and wave it madly in front of you to get rid of all the cobwebs so you can walk freely without getting it all over you. This is our method. If anybody else has one that wants to share, let us know. But this works for us. Oh, there's another big skink thing. There's a really big one. Oh, here he comes. Are they?
They're called like a bush
I
mouse.
can't see it. I can't see it on the screen. Oh yes.
They're called like
It's
a
a
bush mouse.
fat thing, isn't it?
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Lots of skinkies around. What are they called?
bush mallet, I can see. It was a big thing.
Oh crap. What's happened here? Had a tree fall and they haven't come and cleaned it up. Okay. Whoops. Oh my god, I can't bend that far.
You have to step over this one. I must have just had a reason.
Gee whiz. Crazy path.
Look at this beautiful area. Right. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh crap. Yeah. Oh, you're going to get really wet there. Crap! That is cold. Long way up there. Okay.
So we've got 1.3 k's We keep going to the next waterfall.
It's amazing. Amazing what it must have looked like before man got here. How dark it would have been in here. And how hard it would have been to get through. Okay. Some nice little cavey areas up here. It's a long way up there. We're about halfway down the track. It's getting a bit warm. But we're going okay.
Another couple of trees falling over.
Hey? What was that?
Another couple of trees.
Here we are underneath the caves. Inside. Little trees are falling over from the cyclone.
I think that's the actual path down there.
The path is down there.
I think so.
And it's up here now. Yeah. Oh, that looks like wood. See, it's wood.
Yep.
It's petrified.
Not petrified.
Anyway. Yeah, I think the path is down there. We're on the wrong path. We're on the wrong path.
I think we are on the wrong path.
It's okay. There's a nice little area here.
I remember this beach. You said he had a drink.
Yeah, but we were looking from down there. Time for a rest.
We'll just pretend we're having a drink. Because we left the drinks
We
in
forgot
the
the
car.
drinks in the car, but I don't think we'll die. Well, you know, I did say I don't think we will. We are right. The formation inside this cave is amazing. You can see all the old wood.
They're probably tree roots.
Just all the wood. It's gone into the rock. It's pretty cool. Getting closer to the bigger waterfalls. You can hear them. The breeze is cooler. It's darker. It's a canopy. Just up around the front. And here we are. Pretty cool. And over there. Yeah. A little bit more. Bit of pork. Go behind the waterfall now. What a beautiful area. That's pretty cool.
You just hold it up like that. You can't even see the waterfall because your head's in the way.
I think your head was the biggest one. We are in the deep dark canyon. Imagine coming through here at night. That'd be pretty hairy. And at the other side.
I don't know which way would be the best way to come. Down this or up this?
Either way, you got to go down all the way down.
Yeah, but the way we started was probably a bit easier after you're walking all this way around.
Yeah, I guess.
So maybe you start this way and work your way around the other way.
Yeah, because it's more steep this way, isn't it?
The other way's it's a little bit rugged, but it's probably doable after the long walk.
Yep.
Now you got to be a mountain goat and get up this steep hill to the stairs.
You do.
This will test your sciatic nerve.
You got a rail for the old people.
Thank God, it's really doing the calves.
Oh. No way, I'm bouncing up here, look. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, there's like about 4 of them. That's what I mean. Would it have been better coming this way
Maybe.
to go down them?
I reckon, yep. Probably would be.
Than to have to stretch those calves out.
This one's not quite as steep. This one might be. It's not too bad. Coming up out of the rain, out of the forest.
Look out! That's what you're doing.
I'm watching you.
You nearly fell on your ass.
I've got to work it off after Christmas.
You've got no ass.
Oh yeah, it's there. Don't you worry about that. Now we're up the top of the waterfall. It's amazing how the terrain changes from down near the falls to up here. A little bit there. Waterfall there. Now we're on flat ground again. Flat ground up here. How you travelling? Travelling alright? I'm getting close. I can hear the waterfall again.
Itchy bite on my ass.
Let me see.
No.
No? Come on, darling. Just about at the top of the waterfall. And the view from here is beautiful.
I think it says walking now, eh?
No, I don't think so.
It's like people, they close them down to people because people do the wrong thing.
Top of the up again. Alright, just about back at the car park. There's a song again. You take the high road and I'll take the low road and I'll be in Scotland before you. How's that for singing?
And which way are we? Car park? That way.
That way? Yes. Oh, that way.
It's still 14 kilometres. Oh no, we have to go that way. The canyon. Look out.
Canyon, look out, car park. This is okay.
How can it be still 14 kilometres? What's that? You can collapse.
5 kilometres. Just beats time stand still here.
There's a time lapse.
No, time stand still. With a little bridge. Bit of a trickle. Coming up to another little landing. You can still hear the waterfalls. We're still up the top there. Look at this for a view. How magnificent is that? There's the waterfalls there. Look at that. How beautiful is that? The city over in the distance. Surface. Paradise.
I don't think it'll be worth going to the best lookout, because if that's what you're seeing here, you're going to see worse stuff up there.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yep. Yeah.
One day we might make it.
Make it when it's nice and clear. There's not as much haze. Somebody's lost. Someone's lost. You know what you call out when someone's lost?
Marco. Marco.
Hello.
Marco.
Do you? I thought it was Cooey.
It is. If they've fallen over or someone, or they lost someone. Isn't that what you're supposed to say?
Call out to them.
Cooey. Don't call their name because they're cooey.
Just to
Don't call him George, just call him Cooey.
just yell out to him and say, where that are ya?
Cooey.
Come on, Cooey. It's a nice little landing. So any yabbies in there today?
Not bugs. Oh, I've passed these people before.
Just about there. Another low bridge. Another low one. A few more stairs to go. Bloody stairs. How you going? Nearly there, I think.
How do you know? Have you been up there?
Yeah. Hmm?
I'm getting a bit swampy.
Getting slumpy. Hey?
Your legs are getting jellified.
Can't be too far away. Surely.
What's Stand still. Keep moving. Keep moving.
And we've come back to where we started. The view. So is that flower? It's huge.
That's so neat.
Oh.